were told we did not start off and put up a brave front. The interesting thing for me, that's a lot, and I think we've just seen.
With this, then, we are highlighting that a good system that was providing for COVID vaccinations as well as uptake of the tools that are, being introduced, then must take into consideration these aspects. To achieve this, then, we are saying that an equity component is important, where we talk about either vertical or horizontal equity across genders is critical for fairness in the introduction.
The digital transformation for the Farmer Symposium Board. 5 years ago, they launched something called the PPB Regulatory Information Management System, an initiative from the CEO and also some members of PPB. And this has transformed delivery of service and making it more efficient. So a lot of the services that are offered by the board are quite moving away from manual. 10 years ago, most of the processes were very manual.